Dhaba style food has its own charm, and you can surely bring it home through today's recipe. Hi guys, this is Ruchi. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's get started with Dhaba style Aloo Pyaaz. So I'm going to start with heating some oil. In a pan, heat about 4 tablespoons of oil. I've roughly chopped 3 onions and de-shelled them. So let's just shallow fry them in the oil just for a few seconds. With the onions, I'm going to add 4 green chillies that I've chopped. Shallow fry these as well. After sauteing the onions and the chillies for a minute, let's get them out. Drain the oil. Now time for the tadka. In the same oil, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few curry leaves. Next add in 1 onion paste with a few cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. Once the onions have turned completely brown, let's add in the spices. So 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seed powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Fry the spices for a few seconds. Next add in 3 tomatoes boiled, churned and strained. Or actually they even use raw tomatoes just pureed, which is fine too. It's just that you have to cook it for a little more time. Cook this gravy for about 4 to 5 minutes. But if you want to make this gravy more flavorful and thicker, I have a tip for you. Stay tuned till the end. The tomato puree has been cooking since the last 5 to 6 minutes, and now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of curd, salt to taste, just a pinch of sugar. Keep stirring on the curd till it mixes properly. Let's add the potatoes, chilies and the onions now. I've taken 3 boiled and diced potatoes. Add in half a cup of water and of course coriander leaves. Let this cook for a couple of minutes. The aloo pyaaz is going to be ready in a few minutes, and trust me, this is going to be your staple for weeks to come. For more such delicious recipes, catch me every Monday on Rajshri Food. This aloo pyaaz is ready to plate. Garnish it with some julienned ginger and some coriander leaves. The whole kitchen is smelling of this curry. Just pair it up with some plain parathas, the recipe of which you'll find in the description box below. Do give this a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. To make this gravy even more flavorful and well textured, add in 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour just after sauteing the onion paste.